Welcome to the Alekeysmart Ambassadorial Villa. In this development, we've got quite a number of structures. Number one is the main house. We have the gazebo and gym. Let me show you around. At the moment, we're doing some external works. Yeah, some leveling and a bit of landscaping. This is the main house. Yeah. It's a big one. Ambassadorial, I must say. Yeah. Here we have architect Abel and construction manager Priska. Yeah, so you get in. This is the lobby. Then you have the sunken lounge. Look at that. Special enough and naturally lit. Yeah, just a sneak peek, very fast. Yeah. Then this is the master. Master with a walk-in closet. Yeah. And a bath right there. And here we got the bed space. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the floor to ceiling height. Yeah. That's ample enough for air circulation. And also this place is naturally lit. There's also a patio right there. Yeah, just the first one. Right. This is another bedroom. Ensuite with a corner window there. Yeah. We got our study room there. Right. This is the common clock room. The family room right there. Yeah, with a big sliding door. Yeah. The two gentlemen, here we have QS Calvin and structural engineer Philip. Hi guys. Okay, our dining, kitchen, yes, and bedroom 3, right there, all ensuite, and bedroom 4, yeah. So again, from the main house, we have the guest wing, right there. That's the guest room. Yeah. A 2-bedroom guest room. Then at the rear, we have our DSQs. Okay. Right there. So this development has got quite a number of structures. Number one is the main house. Then a gazebo plus gym. A guest wing, then DSQs. So we'll be coming back here once we're done to show you how it turns out. This is amazing. Thank you, and bye.